It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes with great features you love: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,